Here is imperative rendering. Typing number 2 here, result is 0, but now when I press button check, I will result 4. Press check and you see 4. Same page, but now different script. Reactive rendering. Refresh. Result is 0. Input is fields is empty, and I'm typing 2. Immediately result changes to. Here typing again 2, immediately result is 4. There is no button check. It is reactive render. This is script for imperative rendering. Here it is. You can look at slowly. You can type it for training and experiment. Imperative rendering. Here is a script for reactivity. Reactive rendering or declarative rendering. About that will be a lot of talking in React when in video about React, and here in JavaScript vanilla we put fundament for React, and in React names say use reactivity. It is nothing something new in React, happen in React and Vue and Svelte and etc. But it exists in JavaScript vanilla. I go through this slowly, scroll down, and you see all document with comments. In comments is explanation. But on every of that explanation, I will be back in the next video. Special one video, next video, will be about proxy object, new proxy. Okay, it's all for this video. If you know somebody that need video like this, tell them about. Thank you for watching this video.